Right. In the last class, we have successfully completed HTML related introduction. Okay. Right. So now today class, what we are going to do is we are going to implement the practical examples related to HTML technology. I'm not going to give you introduction about CSS. Why? Because if I tell everything in the starting of the class, somebody will confuse also. So we'll go step by step. First of all, I will teach you HTML. After getting some knowledge about HTML, then after I will tell you about CSS. Then we will learn HTML and CSS combiningly. Okay, everybody, this is our way of learning. Okay, right, this is how we are going to learn. So first of all, I will complete HTML related things. Okay, we'll get some knowledge about HTML. Then after I will start the CSS. Then we will start HTML and CSS combined learning. Then we will get more benefits also. Why? Because HTML gives internal structure, CSS gives external structure. So if you want to construct a home, so just we will construct with bricks and cement also, but we don't leave it like that. Then after we'll do plastering, and then after we'll do painting also. Then only our home will look good. So we without walls we cannot paint. So directly with walls only we don't keep like that. So here how much bricks and cement is important, how much walls is important. In the same way, plastering and painting also important. So in the same way here also, HTML gives internal structure, CSS gives external structure. So both we need to learn combiningly. But to understand the CSS, we need to know basic things about HTML. Okay, everyone, right? So first of all, I will teach you HTML. So already I have given you introduction about HTML, and I have explained you what are the basic code we should write. So now today onwards, we are going to implement that practical examples, and I'm going to write that basic code also. Okay, everybody, right? So today onwards, we are going to learn HTML. So in order to learn any technology, we need to have some softwares. Okay, what is that? First, where we need to write that code, that related software. Then after, where we need to check our output, that related software as well. Where we need to write our code, that one software. Then after, where we need to check our output, that related software. So these two softwares we need to have in our computer. That is must. Then after, what is the other important thing? Third thing is to store whatever we have practiced. We need to have a storage folder. That means our practice folder. So whatever we are practicing, okay, we need to store it. We need to save it. So whenever you want to save it, we cannot keep everything different places. For example, you want to store your money. So in 1 month you will get 1 lakh. Second month you will get 10,000 only. Third month you will get 50,000. But where we to store all our money? In a bank account. So once you open the bank account, so whatever the money you have, you can store it. In the same way, whenever you want to practice anything, one day we will practice A, second day we will practice B, third day we will practice C. But A, B, C we need to store in our practice folder. So how much this practice softwares are important. In the same way, this storing place also important. Okay, that storing place can be called as application also. Application development also same, and practicing also same. We need to have a main practice folder or else main application folder. Then after, we need to divide that application into multiple folders also. Okay, everybody, right? So step by step we will go. First of all, what is that? Practicing software. So that means where we can write our code. So what is that software? So here I am preferring Notepad++. What is that, everybody? Notepad++. Somebody will get doubt. Sir, nowadays everybody using Visual Studio Code, but why are you teaching us a Notepad++? Very simple logic. For example, you are going to any interview related to UI technologies or else any other technologies also. So they will conduct system test also. What is that, everybody? System test. So whenever they are conducting system test, they don't give any fancy IDEs like Visual Studio Code, Atom, okay, or else Webstone, like that fancy IDEs they don't give. They will give only basic IDEs like Notepad, Notepad++, Edit Plus, that type of softwares only they will give you, okay, to test your knowledge. So in that case, what happens is, for example, you are practicing in Visual Studio Code or else any other IntelliSense IDE also. Then what happens is, for example, if you type there A, see there is no suggestions. But same thing if you type in the Visual Studio Code, what happens? All the comments related to A will come. Okay, A1, A2, A3, all the suggestions will come. Then what happens? We will select that suggestion. Okay, then what happens? That will come along with the spelling. Not only spelling, it will come along with syntax. That means what is the disadvantage here? You are not writing the spelling by your own. Okay, and you are not writing the syntax by your own. So that since you are not writing, so that you don't be perfect with the spellings and syntaxes, which is very, very important in the technical round. Sometimes they don't give computer also. They will give you just a pen and paper. You need to write entire code in that paper. So in that case, if you are not perfect with the spellings and syntaxes, you will get errors also. So if they want to recruit you, you need to be perfect with spellings and syntaxes also. That is the basic criteria. So when you will be perfect with the spellings and syntaxes, everything if you write by your own only. So if you are fresher to any technology, for example, we have 80 years of experience as a Java developer, but you are new to the UI technologies. So you must practice in the Notepad++ or else any basic IDEs only, not advanced level IDEs. Understand it, everybody? What is my intention? Why I am teaching the Notepad++? Respond, everyone. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so if you practice in the Visual Studio Code, if you type any keyword, automatically all the comments will come. So if it is 1 or 2 letters spelling, okay, you can remember that. If you write also by seeing also, but if it is 10 to spelling, of course that related syntax also. So though we have the so much logical skills, but we cannot clear the interview. Why? Because you are not technically sound. Technical means spellings and syntax. Wait. Okay, right, sorry, right. So what is the we need to have a browser. So here Edge is coming by default. For example, sir, can you suggest any other browser? So here I am suggesting you to install Mozilla Firefox. Of course, everybody using nowadays Google Chrome also, they are installing manually, but I am suggesting you to install Mozilla Firefox. Why? Because it will always updates. It will always update by itself. So how much latest syntax related to JavaScript, how much latest tags related to HTML, how much latest properties related to CSS. Also, it can be easily understandable. So you can practice with the latest related technologies also. So that's why I'm suggesting you to install Mozilla Firefox, because that is programmer friendly browser. Programmer friendly means if you open the browser, it does not ask you, hi, how are you, like that. That is not friendly. Whatever you write, it will understand. That is called programmer friendly. Okay, everybody, please respond. Okay, so Mozilla Firefox is the programmer friendly browser. So everything, so most of the time latest related things, it can be easily understandable. So here I am suggesting you to install Mozilla Firefox. For example, okay, yeah. Sir, how to install that Mozilla Firefox? Wait 1 second. Later we'll go to Notepad++. First of all, you need to open your default browser, whatever you have. So go to that. Then after we have a famous search engine, which is nothing but Google. So go to the Google. Then after type there, Mozilla Firefox download. Mozilla Firefox download. Okay, everybody, right. Now open this, download Mozilla Firefox for Windows. Click here. It will install the latest version only. It will install the latest version only. Okay, everybody, right. So it will gives you any .exe file or else .msi file. So whatever it may be, we need to click there. Then after we need to accept the terms and conditions. Then after next, and finally finish. That's it. This is a simple process. This is how we can install the Mozilla Firefox. Okay, everyone, right? This is completed. So once this is installed in your computer, then we need to open like this, Mozilla Firefox. Then after again go there, google.com. And type here as Notepad++ download. What is it, everybody? Notepad++. This is the software we are going to install. So Notepad++, right click and click on new tab. Wait 1 second. What happened? There is a problem or what? Wait 1 second. Sorry, everyone. I think the problem with the Notepad++. Unfortunately, today it is happening. Okay, click there. Why it is behaving like this? Are you getting my voice? Respond, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah, okay. Just I'm confirming if there is internet connection or not. But unfortunately, it is behaving like this. Is the first time I'm seeing. Wait 1 second. Yeah, just opened. So whenever you search anything, some results will come. Okay, everyone, some results will come. So you need to open the results in a new tab. Why? Because if the solution, whatever you are searching, if it is not working, results are already, it is there. So you can go to the other solution. Okay, rather than that, if you open this one, what happens if it is not working? Again, we need to go back. Okay, so that's why always open the results in a new tab. Right click and click on the open new tab. That's it. Okay, right. Okay, it is opening here, downloads. Okay, everyone, right. For example, see it one more time. This is how it is coming. So here we are getting so many versions. So whenever we are getting so many versions, we will get a confusion. Sir, which version we need to install? So very simple logic in software industry, everybody. If you want to install any software, first of all, we need to search anything specifying as stable. What is that, everybody? Anything is specifying as stable. Okay, so we need to install the stable version. Sir, for example, there is no specific, they are not specifying a stable version. Then we need to install the latest version. So first preference is stable version. Second preference is latest version. Sometimes what happens is latest version stable also. So we can blindly go for that. For example, see it, everybody. Previously, whenever I have opened, 8.6.6 is there. Then after 8.6.7 is there. So here 8.6.6, they are not specifying as stable. So I can install any one of the version. Latest version I can install. But if you observe here, there is 8.6.7, 8.6.8 also there, and 8.6.9. They are specifying it is latest and as well as stable also. So this is latest as well as stable. So blindly we can go for this 8.6.9. For example, nothing is specifying as stable version. So go to that latest version. For example, 8.6.9 is there, and they are specifying 8.6.7 as stable. So go to the 8.6.7 stable version. Understand the logic or not? Respond, everybody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, right. So one more time telling, listen carefully. For example, there is 8.6.9 is there. They are not specifying it as stable. 8.6.8 also there. But here 8.6.7 also there. Here they are specifying it is stable version. So we need to install the stable version. Okay, that is one solution. Or else 8.6.9, 8.6.8, 8.6.7. Both are there, but nothing is specifying. No version is specifying as stable version. Then we can install the latest version. That is second scenario. Third scenario is this is latest also and as well as it is stable also. So we can install that latest and stable version. So here stable version is prioritized. If nothing is specifying a stable version, then only we need to install the latest version. So here, unfortunately, this is latest as well as it is stable. So just click there. It is opening like this. So whenever it is opening like this, somebody what they will do, they don't check wherever they are clicking also. For example, since there is open, directly they will click on the open. But what is this? This is PDF to Excel. That is the software, not Notepad++. Somebody what they will do, they will click here. This is what? Test planning software. That is the other software. They will click here. So whenever you want to download, you should be conscious also. You should be conscious also. Okay. So you need to find that appropriate related icon, that related download button only. For example, previously also Mozilla Firefox. Okay. There is an icon is there. Then only there is download button. Here also Notepad++. There is the related icon. That related download button I am finding here. Then we need to click here, download button. Okay, everyone. So that what happens? It will download exe file or else MSI file. Okay, .exe file, executable file, or else MSI, Microsoft installer, whatever it may be. So we need to click there. So it will ask you to click next. Then after it will ask you to accept the terms and conditions. So accept that. Then after finally next, and finally finish. So that software will be installed. Understand it, everybody? How to install? Respond, everyone. How to install Notepad++? Then after Mozilla Firefox. Okay, right. Once that is also completed, okay, if you install Notepad++ on browser, then after what is the thing we need to do? We need to open our Notepad++. We need to open our Notepad++. Okay, we need to open this. So we need to use Control N. What is that, everybody? Control N. So that we will get a new page. For example, let's go to the file menu. First option will be new. Control N is the shortcut. Okay, it will take a new page. Then after we can type something. Then after what is the other thing we need to do? We need to save it. So whenever you want to save it, what is that? We need to check this location here. This location here. Somebody what they will do, they will save, but they don't observe this location. Okay, then after what happens is they have practice, they will close this also. but then after they will forget where they have saved it. So that's why whenever you open anything, whenever you write anything, we need to observe the saving location also. Control yes. So what is this file? See it? It is coming as program files notepad plus plus. I don't want to save here. Sir, where you want to save? Very simple. For example, if you have only C drive, okay, some cases. C, don't do right now. I will make you as host. Then after I will do in our computer also. Then after we need to go to the users. Then after we need to go to our username related folder. For example, in my case, my username is HP. In your case, it may be different also. So we need to go to that particular folder. There we need to create a practice folder. For example, Sirisha -UI practice. Rushi -UI practice. Shweta -UI practice. Like that, we need to create a folder. Our name, technology, and the practice, since we are practicing. In my case, I have only C drive. Okay, not only C drive, I have D drive also. So in my case, I have D drive. Directly I can create the folder here. Or else, okay, since I am teaching multiple technologies, I am creating a separate folder for UI class also. And I am creating here separate folder for online classes. See, there are so many folders are there. I cannot save any one of them. Why? Because their batch is different. So for your batch, I need to create a separate folder. For example, Ramesh hyphen. Wait 1 second, everybody. Something is coming here. Wait kindly. Okay. Observe here. Ramesh hyphen. What is our technology? UI. What is our thing? Class. UI hyphen class. Hyphen what is this month? September. Why? Because if I announce a new batch in the next month, okay, I'm not going to announce, just I'm telling. So in that case, it will be October, so that I can recognize September batch separately, October batch separately, November batch also separately. Then after a year, why? Because in the September of 2025 also, I will announce a new batch. So in that case, that batch and this batch should not confuse. So that's why I'm specifying year also. And in the same year, I need to recognize each and every batch as well. So that's why I am specifying as 8 p.m. What is that, everybody? 8 p.m. Now press the enter. Now you can double click. So now we are saving here only. So here I'm saving as basic underscore or else basic underscore HTML underscore tags. So these are basic HTML tags. Example. And what is the extension we must give? .html extension. Okay, now observe where you have saved in the D drive UI classes, online classes in our particular folder only. So that you can remember, okay, in this particular folder, we have saved this file. So then what is the advantage? If you want to refer in the future, you can go to that particular folder. For example, see it, D drive, UI classes, online classes, and our particular folder, UI class September 2024 8 p.m. This is the file. And if you can double click here also. So if you double click, it will open in the browser. Okay, sir, I want to check the code. Very simple. Right click, click on edit with Notepad++. Then after it will open in the Notepad++. Clear it, everybody? This is how we will check the code and output. Understand it, everybody? Respond, please. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Right. Now then after I want to do the same thing in the student's computer. Sir, you are not audible. Yeah, I'm audible, right? Respond. Yeah, I'm
Yes, sir.
audible. Akhil, are you getting right my voice?
Yes.
Yeah, right. So now who is attending to computer? Respond, everybody. Like Akhil, Praveen, Rushi.
Yes, we.
Your name. Attending to computer, Akhil or Rushi? Rushi. Respond. Say don't unmute yourself immediately. Sir, don't mute yourself immediately. Who is attending through computer? Respond one person. Or else who is attending through computer? Respond.
I am attending.
Yeah,
to
Rushi.
laptop.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. So laptop also, PC also, both are computers. Okay, right. So now, yeah, Rushi, you are the host now. Share your screen, Rushi. Share your screen. Right. Okay. So take a new tab, Rushi. Take a new tab or else open a new browser.
Okay.
Yes. Now type there. Put yourself mute Rishi. Put yourself mute Rishi, please. Right. Getting some noise. Yeah. Now type there google.com. Yeah. Yeah. Type there notepad plus plus download. Yes. Notepad plus. Yeah. Open that new tab. See it 8.6.9. Now click on the first version. No. See that is latest and stable also. 8.6.9, not 6.7. Okay, Rishi. Latest and stable also. What is the point I told? Stable version. But 8.6.7 is not stable. They're not specifying that. 6.9 is latest and stable. So now click on the yes download button. Yes, click there. Uneven failed. Yeah, download. Yes. Wait one second. Wait 1 second. Let it be completed. It is completed. Yeah. Once it is completed, yeah. Now double click or else single click also. Double click. Yes. Click on OK. Slowly. Don't do anything. Yeah. Next. I will tell you. Yeah. Now click on agree. Yeah. Same path. Okay. Click on next. Yeah. Click on next. Yeah. Click on yeah. Install also. Yeah, it is asking to launch. Yeah, click on finish. So that you will open Notepad++ as well. See everybody, this is what we are getting. Change log. Okay. Yeah, by taking here, yeah, Control N. Yeah, press there Control N. So that you will get a new page. Okay, everyone. Right. Now type anything. Yes. Now save it. Control N. No, manually. Control yes. See it everybody, by default it is coming as no, whatever it means. Yeah. So by default it is coming as program files Notepad++. I don't want that. Now click on this PC. Left side already it is showing. Yeah. Now see here C also, L also. Okay, so we can go to the L drive. So if you have only C drive, then only go to C drive. Or else go to other drive. Yeah, now here create a new folder, Rishi. Create a new folder. Click on new folder. Rishi hyphen UI hyphen practice. No, all small letters use. All small letters use Rishi. It will be good. All small letters. Yeah. Rishi hyphen UI hyphen practice. Press there enter. Enter. Yeah, one more time enter. Yeah, okay, double click. Yes. Now write there basic underscore HTML underscore tags underscore example. Underscore. No, not basic. Made a mistake. Right. No, go there. Not there, Rishi. Go to Notepad++. Right click. Where are you going? Not there, Rishi. Go to the Notepad++ only. Don't go anything. Yeah, you are seeing that red color light. Over on the red color and right click there. Right click there. Exactly. Right click. Rename. Yeah, right there basic underscore HTML underscore HTML underscore tags underscore example dot HTML. Dot HTML is mandatory extension. Okay, now click on save. Okay, see it is renamed. Now save it, Rishi. Save Control yes. Press no, don't click there. Press manually Control yes. Okay, always. That is a good practice. Okay, Rishi. Right. Now, if you want to execute this file in the browser, wait 1 second. Now press the Control yes. Yeah. Now go to the view menu. File, edit, search, view menu is there, right? Click on the view. Not there. Menu section I'm telling. In the Notepad++, there is menu section. Not that menu. File, edit, view. Yeah. Click there. Now select the fifth option. View current file in. Fifth option. View current file. Yeah. Now select the Chrome. Because you don't have Mozilla Firefox, right? See it, everyone. It is executing in the browser. This is also one way is there. Okay, Rishi and others, respond everybody. This is the process. Hello? Respond kindly, everyone. Shweta?
Yes.
Okay, right. This is how we can install also. And this is how we can execute also. Okay, everybody, right. So if you made any mistake, Whenever you are saving, immediately we can rename, right? By hovering on that file name and right clicking and select the rename option and type whatever the name you want and give must and should .html extension if you are practicing HTML technology, HTML language. Okay, right. This is the process. Clear it, everybody? How to install and how to execute. And as per your choice, yeah, you can install the Mozilla Firefox also. Okay, right. Or else if you are compatible with Node, Google Chrome, or else you can check in the Notepad. Sorry, Google Chrome also in the output. Okay, right. Now click on the participants tab in the Zoom. Click on the participants, Rushi, and you will find my name, Ramesh Trainer. Now right side you will find a video icon. Just over on there. Just over there. And you will see 3 dots also. Now click there, 3 dots. Now select the option make host. Rushi, do it. So that I will be host again. Yes. Thank you, Rushi. Right. Okay, everybody, this is the thing we need to do. Okay, right. Then after, what is the basic code we must write? What is the basic code? First line should be in instruction. What is that? Version of the HTML. So that version, by writing this line of code, it will automatically understand. What is that? Doc type. Wait 1 second. Doc type we can write all small letters also, or else doc type we can write in capital letters also. HTML. Okay, everybody, right. Then after we must start. Okay, HTML language with HTML tag. The rule in software industry is, first of all, we need to complete the syntax, then only we need to write the logic. But somebody, what they will do, for example, they have written the HTML tag and they will write like that only. They will forget to close. That is not the correct way to write the logic. Okay, wait 1 second. So delete this. Since I have opened the HTML tag, immediately I need to close it. Less than slash HTML. Give me a second. Okay, everybody, right. Now go to in middle, in between. Then after right there, head tag. Then after right there, body tag. Clear it, everyone. So HTML has 2 child elements. One is head, another one is body. Now see it, I have opened head tag, immediately I have closed it. Then only I have opened body tag. I am not writing body inside the head. After completion of head tag only I am writing the body tag. Please observe that. Okay, right. Now press the enter here. Here also press the enter. Now what is the point I told you about body tag? Whatever you want to display to the user. Yeah, tell me.
What is that doc type HTML? Why do we write that, sir?
This is the instruction for the web browser that we okay, as a programmer I'm going to use the HTML version 5. That means to indicate this I am writing HTML version 5. To indicate I am using HTML version 5. Okay, Shweta? Yes.
Okay, there are also other versions, sir.
Yeah, previous versions also, right? But there you cannot remember this doc type. That is very big syntax. But the advantage of the HTML5 is it is very simple. By writing this line, okay, automatically browser will understand this is HTML version 5. But previous versions it is very long also. Okay, Shweta? Right.
Thank
Yes.
you.
Yeah. So then after this is body. So whatever you want to display in the user interface area, that one you must write in the body tag. So right there, I am Ramesh. Save it. So then after what we should do, we should execute in the browser. So give me a second. So in order to execute, there is 2 ways. Wherever you have saved, go to that particular location, double click on it. Or else if you want to execute through the software, of course, it is also possible. What is that Notepad++? See, this is the menu section. File, edit, search. This is the menu bar of the Notepad++. Now go to the view menu. What is that, everybody? View. And select always on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5th option. What is that? View current file in. Click there. Now see it, since I have Mozilla Firefox, then only I am able to execute in the browser. For example, if I don't have Firefox, it does not execute. So we need to install manually. Click on the Firefox. See it, everyone, we are getting in the Firefox or not? Respond, everybody. Okay, we are getting. Okay, everyone, right. But observe this title bar area. What are we getting? Whatever you are seeing in the URL, same thing we are getting in the title. Why? Because in this edit section, you are not specifying anything as title. So if you don't have title, automatically whatever this URL is containing, same thing it will display in the title bar also. Clear it, everybody? So I don't want this. So let's go to the application. Okay, our file and write here title. See it one more time. Less than title. Greater than. Less than slash title. First of all, complete the syntax. Open and close. Then we'll write there the type. What is that? Basic HTML tags. Save it. Now let's go to the browser. Once you execute, no need to re-execute. For example, no need to go to the view menu and no need to click here one more time because you are executing same file. So whenever you want to execute the same file, then go to the browser, just refresh. Control F5. Control key plus F5 key. F1, F2, F3, right? Like that we have F5 key also. Press that. Now observe the title bar section. What are we getting? Whatever I have specified in the title. Same thing I am getting in this title bar section. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So whatever you specify in the title, that's what it will display here. Okay, everyone? Right. Then after this is the basic HTML code. Of course, we can specify here meta charset also. Meta charset. This is not related to programming. This is the internal process of the browser. So whatever the characters I'm going to use for each and every character in the browser, whenever it is converting into binary code. Okay, for each and every character, it should assign only 8 bytes in the memory. That is what meta charset UTF-8. Okay, everybody. Then after in real time, okay, whatever the things I'm going to write right now, that will be useful in the real time. Okay, but whenever you are running daily, we no need to write. But for your future reference, that tags also I'm going to write. What is that? Meta charset. Sorry, meta charset is already completed. Meta name equal to double quotations greater than. What is that? Name is keywords. And whatever the keywords you want to write, that one we need to keep in the content area. For example, Levi's cotton shirts, Levi's shirts. Like that keywords we can write. In the same way, we can write here meta name equal to double quotations greater than. What is that? Description. Content equal to double quotations. Levi's shirts under 1500. Like the descriptions also we can write. Okay, everybody? Right. Okay, everyone, this is the things. Okay, daily whenever you are practicing, no need to write these keywords and description whenever you are practicing. But in real time, we need to keep this and this keywords and description that the SEO person will give you. So whatever the keywords he is suggesting you, that one we need to keep in the keywords related content. Whatever the description is suggesting, that one we need to keep in the description related content. That's it. Clear it, everybody? One second. This will be useful in the SEO purpose. Yeah, now tell me, Shweta.
I have one question.
Yeah.
I didn't understand the line meta charset is equal to UTF-8.
Yeah, see here, Shweta, actually, this is not related to programming. Okay, and but this is what is the advantage is. For example, what are the alphabets I'm using here, Shweta? English alphabets. Okay, so this English alphabets cannot understand by the browser or computer. Computer can understand only 0 and 1. So whatever the alphabets we are writing, that should be converted into binary code. So who will convert? Browser itself contains internally interpreters. Those internal interpreters will convert that into binary code. Okay, whenever they are converting for each and every character, okay, it will assign 8 bytes only. In the conversion process, it has to assign some memory space. In that memory space, it will assign only 8 bytes only. So that our application will, our web page will convert little bit faster. Okay, Shweta? Understanding it? That is not physically visible. Hello? Okay, right. That is not physically visible, but that is the internal process. Of course, they don't ask in the interview, but some people will ask in the interview. So for interview perspective, I am telling this. This keywords and description, whenever you are searching anything in the Google, in that case, that keywords and description will be useful. to display your website in the first result set in the Google results. First page in the Google results. Okay, everybody see it. First of all, we are just giving priority to the official website only. Then after famous software downloading softwares only. Why? Because with the help of the keywords and your domain also matters. That's it. Okay, everyone. Right. This is about the basic HTML tags. And whatever you specify in the body tag, that will display in the user interface area. See it? Here I'm getting I am Ramesh. Okay, everybody. Right. This is the basic HTML code we should have. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So that's it, everybody. Okay. Right. For
I have a
example,
question.
yeah. Tell me.
So how can we know that we have to write the tags in the head section and body section? Is there any specific tags we need to include in the head
Yes.
section?
Yeah. As I told in the yesterday class, also I told. Today also I'm telling information related tags. For example, title, meta char set. Okay. Meta related tags under external JavaScript and external CSS. Those files we need to write in the header tag. Okay, Rishi. Okay. Meta tags and external CSS and external JavaScript we need to call in the header tag, and internal CSS and internal JavaScript also better to write in the header tag, and HTML related code only we will write in the body tag. All the tags related to all the tags related to HTML we must write in the body tag. Structure, especially structure. Okay, right. Okay, everybody, right. So then after here I'm writing yes. My name is wait 1 second. My name is Ramesh. See, observe here, everybody, where I am writing I am Ramesh in line number 10. Where I am writing my name is Ramesh in the line number 12. Okay. So they are not side by side, they are one by one, line by line. Okay. Right. Now observe in the browser. Just I'm refreshing. How they are coming side by side or one by one? How they are coming, everybody?
Side by side.
Side by side. That means, okay, by default, browser can understand only text and it will keep entire text automatically side by side. By default, browser can understand only text. Okay, everybody. Right. So by default, the text will align browser automatically side by side. Sir, I don't want to align side by side. I want to keep this. My name is Ramesh in the next line. So that is structure related things. Displaying in line by line. Okay, everything comes under structure wise only. So that structure we need to indicate through HTML tag. For example, I want to display this. My name is Ramesh in the next line. That's why after this I am Ramesh, I need to break that line. So to break the line, we need to use BR. BR greater than, less than BR greater than. There is no ending tag for that. Why? Because in between no need to write anything. So just it has to break the line. That's it. So that's why it doesn't have any ending tag. This is self-ending tag only. This is self-ending tag only. Okay, BR tag. Now go to the browser and refresh. See it, everyone. Now it is coming in the next line or not? Respond, everyone. Right. So this is the advantage of the BR tag. So if you write the BR tag, the data will come in next time. Clear it, everyone? Please respond. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So there is other tags also there, like text formatting tags like strong tag and B tag. So okay, those tags, okay, tomorrow class I will discuss, because if I discuss everything in the first class, okay, you will be confused. So first by tomorrow, perfect with this basic HTML tags. Then after tomorrow onwards, we are going to discuss other topics. So then after we'll increase the subject also by tomorrow onwards. So text formatting tags, heading tags, paragraph tag, then after iframe tag, table tag. Okay, then after form controls, everything we'll discuss one by one classes. Okay, everybody, right? So that's it, everyone. This is a class for today. Okay, so tomorrow we'll meet, we'll continue. Okay, everybody, thank you very much. Understand it, everybody? Please respond.
Sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've enrolled for the course, sir.
Okay, okay. You want to videos? Yeah. Wait 1 second, Shweta. Stay in the session, okay? Let me stop the recording. Stay in the session. Right. Thank you. Yes.
Even I paid. So
Sorry.
I paid enroll.
If you want to pay, yeah. Wait 1 second. I will send you a number.
I already paid and sent a mail.
Okay. You also paid. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. You also. So whoever paid, please wait in the session. Okay, everybody. Other persons can leave. I will take their emails and I will give you the access also. Okay, everyone. Right. Please wait, everybody. Whoever paid, please wait. Other persons you can attend tomorrow also. but try to make the payment. Okay, right. Thank you very much, everybody. Right. So give me a second, everyone. Let me stop the recording.